Puddle. Whoa, what? Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog, and today is Sunday. Yes, I am wearing the same shirt from 2 days ago, mainly because I had to keep it on for the movie that we were filming, because the last scene we filmed I was wearing this shirt, so I had to wear it yesterday as well. Today we are going back to St. Peter's to enjoy St. Peter's, because last time we went there to film. Oh great, now I have to change my battery. Hold on. Alright, now I changed the battery, so we're good there. So yeah, we're going back to St. Peter's. This time we don't have to worry about filming a movie. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Want to get back to reclose and send me somewhere to work with your haircut. Excuse me? No. I'm not getting a cut for another 2 years. How about that? I swear it's uneven. It's like shorter on the right side and it's longer on the left. I'm currently stopping at Wawa because I have to pee. And there's no bathrooms at St. Peter's, so you know. Here we are again. Bug spray time. Ah, watch. Oh, it's come back. Ah, ah. Where are we going? The dam. Okay. Look at this. Wouldn't it be nice if we lived here? I want to live in a house where this is kind of like our backyard. Where are we going? Old road number. Oh, it smells. Yeah, it does. You smell water. Ugh, it really smells. Yeah. Back up. Too stinky here. Yeah, it really smells. What is it again? Stale water. Water can go stale? Yeah. How? It stays fresh by moving like that. The rocks put oxygen in it. Oh. Look at this. There's no one here. Ain't it pretty? Do you think we can cross this somehow? I was good at that. The only way would be that way. I think we would have to go this way a little more though. Watch out for the mole. Okay, I'm gonna jump down here. Alright, so our challenge is to cross this river right here somehow. Actually, I see a way. I see a way. I see a way on how we can cross it. Come here. Do you think we can get to that rock? That one? No, that one over there. Yeah, that one over there. Yeah, can you? I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can jump it, but. That one? Yeah, that big one right there. Whoa. Ugh. And then we get to this rock. Can you do it? This one might be a little tough. Yeah, I don't think you can get to there. There's nowhere to go after that though. I say come back. We're really trying to cross this river right here. That's what I want to do. I got to this rock. You did it. I know. Alright, there's a rock right here. Alright, I'm under a tree right now. You made it. I would say grab onto the end of that rock. Alright, so I'm going to go back here. Oh, you made it. Whoa, that one moved. Oh. It was actually fun trying to cross this river. Well, my dad made it, now I gotta make it. We made it. That was really difficult. Oh. Oh, there's the easy ones from there. Oh. Well, no, there was no rock to get to that big rock over there. Ugh. I really like that tree right there. Yeah. Just in the middle of the water. But we were able to cross this river. It was really hard. Where do I have the waterfall? It might be hard for the camera to actually pick up how it looks, but the way how far rocks are, it was actually difficult. Look at this random soda. Where are we going now? Puddle. Whoa, what? 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 There's a spider web there? Yeah. The way you reacted, what? Hurt. What? I moved too quick. What happened? That didn't happen on the beach. I moved too quick. The way you reacted, I thought you got bit in the face. Are you okay? It'll pass. I'll get a bubble will go through here and that'll be fine. Okay. Wow, look how flat this water is. Yeah. Kind of nice not having anyone around here. Look at the roots of this tree. That's a steep hill up there. I think there's a trail up here though. Watch out for the green stuff. Oh yeah. I'm trying to be really careful with these leaves. Oh, there's a trail up here. I love this. It's so quiet and peaceful. And at home, there's drops. Whoa, this is steep. What? Walk this way. There's part of the bridge. There's a bee investigating this. There's a bee? Yeah. There's the bridge. There's a bridge. Now, where are we going? Through the spider web. It's a good workout for the legs. That's a good place to swim. Oh wow, look at that bridge. Butterfly. Should I push you? Yeah. The water's hardly moving here. Yeah, no. Look at that lonely rock over there. Guys, if you have any houses for rent that's I don't know, less than $1,000 a month and has a backyard like this, please give a comment down below. Somewhere in this country. But where are we gonna go now?
You follow this trail or back where we came?
Maybe back where we came.
Well, this is just the lower end of the trail. That's what it looks like.
There's a lot of leaves though.
Yeah, alright, look like.
Yeah, let's go back up here. This really sketchy place. Can you move like that? Man, look at all these like cubes. What'd you say?
This is basically what Boulder Field looks like.
Yeah.
In that square.
Did you actually book a room?
Yeah.
Okay, so
But I can cancel at any time.
in 2 weeks we're gonna go to this place called Boulder Field. It's like an hour away. It's kind of like this, but isn't it a little different? Isn't it more flatter?
Yeah.
I saw a video where there's like this tree in the middle of it. So how did these rocks get here and get like this?
It used to be a quarry and they used to dump them.
Wow, look at these big rocks right here. Whoa. Look at this, like, what kind of rock is this? It's all glassy.
It's like marble and granite.
Yeah, look, there's a reflection on it. Come here.
That's it. Yeah, it's probably granite. Well, it looks like marble. Yeah, it's marble.
Oh my god. Oh god, look at that cobweb. Wow, look at this. Wow. I don't think there's anywhere to go from here. It's just rocks. Oh, actually, there's a path over there.
Yeah.
Want to go there?
Good.
I'm gonna have to make it to this rock, so I'm gonna have to switch hands so that I can put my right hand on this rock. You're gonna have to use. Where are you going? Alright, let's go our own ways. There's a path right there, and that's where we're trying to go. I think my dad found a better path because my path isn't going so well. Huh. Well, rock right here. Oh, there's a giant cobweb right there. Never mind, I'm not going there. We'll go here. Step right there. These rocks. Okay, where's my dad? Oh, there he is. What the heck is this? What? Alright, well, I made it. Look at all these trees. Which way should we go? This way? Alright. Now which way?
Left.
Left? I want to find... What?
Yeah, that way.
This way? Alright.
There's 3 ways up.
You're so slow.
Well, you're not going home.
So, here's another giant pond we found. Wow. Wow, look at all these logs. Hey, what is all those yellow things?
Moss growing.
Really? I didn't know there was such thing as yellow moss. Look at these giant logs. We should come here when it's snowing. Or did they close it?
Yeah, that's
Look how tall that is.
Yeah.
Should we come sledding here? All these giant rocks.
Yeah.
Which way now? Well,
Well, that goes over towards 23.
should we go this way then?
That's going to end up going down.
Well, let's go up here.
Let's see how far up it goes.
Alright.
Oh, it's going to take climbing.
Why not? Ooh. This is a little tricky to get up.
Yeah. Really up here.
Yeah, there really isn't anything here.
That's drilling.
Just a couple of giant rocks. Nothing special. What?
Ooh, too deep in.
What, that? Looks like lead.
Of course.
Oh my god, it's so colorful here. Pink rock, pink rock, pink rock, pink rock, pink rock. Look, pizza. What is going on? Why is it so red here? Did a team of women come here and just paint the place up?
Yeah.
Flower there. What is... What?
Fireplace.
Very colorful fireplace. What did we stumble upon? It's just pink everywhere. Oh wow, this is... Oh, look at this. Look how far down that is.
Yeah.
The camera probably doesn't do justice of how far it looks. But we're really high up. Oh man, this is... Wow. Wanna go down there?
It's kind of true.
Well, yeah. Do you think you can physically do it? Go down here?
Probably, yeah.
Well, there's no way you can do it by standing.
Yeah, do you want to go that way and stay up here? Or do you want to go down there?
I think I want to stay up here for a little bit.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. We just met
We
these...
can go up there and see the high ground.
We just met this group of people that were looking for something called Mushroom Rock.
Yeah, that's up where the caves are.
Caves. Do you have the energy to do that?
No.
What? Oh, what's that? Another giant mountain.
You want to go up? There's a trail there.
Yeah, let's go here. I slightly remember taking a path just like this last year. Or, maybe not last year, but 2 years ago.
Yeah, but we didn't go up here. We just took pictures from down here.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Ah, cobwebs. Oh, man, this is huge. Look, a Wawa cup. Oh, that's difficult.
I used to do this when I was a kid.
That was really difficult.
Keep cod chips.
Oh wow, look at this.
Little bee.
There's a bee? Okay, goodbye.
Alex is here.
Look where I am.
Yeah.
Be careful, there's a lot of leaves. It's easier coming down this little mountain than walking up.
Actually, believe it or not, a lot of times it's harder going down than it's going up.
Well, that was easier. Let's go. Somewhere. Look what I found. Candy.
Yeah.
I mean, it's safe in a wrapper. Want to eat it?
No.
Oh god, look at all those ants. Ooh.
That's the Great Crossing.
Well, we made it out of the forest. Should we just go home now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Go do laundry.
Alright, we're back in the car. We're gonna go home. Yeah?
He's gonna help me do laundry?
I'm gonna be too busy not doing that. Wait a minute. Crayola?
Yeah.
Crayola has food now?
Yep.
Okay. When I see that, that doesn't remind me of food, that reminds me of crayons. Okay, we just spent like 20 minutes in the dollar store and we didn't even end up getting anything.
No.
So, we're home and these kids are getting on my nerves. Can you guys hear this? Do you guys hear this right now? This is so annoying. He literally has 5 kids up there. In a freaking 2-bedroom apartment. I don't know where he's getting all this money from. He doesn't have a job. If he did, he probably would have enough money to, I don't know, move out. What is going on?
That's probably why he's staying up there.
What?
That's probably why he doesn't come down.
Yeah, I don't want to ever see that guy face to face. His arms are bigger than your stomach.
Yeah. And that's probably why he's up there hiding. When his kids are down there.
Why is the cops there? They've been there for like 20 minutes. I don't see anyone down there. Oh, look. This guy that's sitting in the blue van, he's on the phone and he's staring right at the cops.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Do you see him? Just looking at him? What the heck? There's a whole group of people down there. What is it? Are you using your binoculars at all?
Right there.
I won't focus.